Have you ever wanted to draw your own floor plan but didn't know how because you didn't have any guide to go off of? Today I'm going to show you how to fix that. First, we're going to go over to Google Earth, which is a completely free tool. Okay, so once you're signed in through your Google account, you can go ahead and hit create a new project. And then you're going to just basically go and zoom on the Earth and find your house. So this is an old house I used to live in. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and take your favorite screen clipping tool and then screen clip right around the property. Depending on how much you want to incorporate, you could get the driveway, the backyard, more of the trees. As you'll see, the tool that we're going to be popping this into is capable of recreating all of that. All right, so we'll copy that, and then we're going to come over to this software called Cedreo. So you can use the link in the description or just go to cedreo.com, and you can also use this tool for free. It's a fantastic software, and I did a full in-depth review that you can see in another video here. Go ahead and check that one out as well. But this one, I'm just going to show you how you can bring in your own house to have a template to draw from. Okay, so once you've signed in to Cedreo, go ahead and click on Create My First Project and give it a quick name. You can change your measurement units if you are in a different part of the country or you just prefer to use metric. And then go ahead and hit the check mark, and then now we're going to go ahead and hit draw. Okay, so now we are in the drawing space of Cedreo, and right over here in the right hand corner it says import your trace image. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Find that image that you screen clipped. We will bring it in. Now is one thing we have to go back to Google Earth because we have to calibrate our image. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and use the measurement tool in Google Earth, and then we're going to click on two distinct points. So like I'm going to go from the corner of the house over to the corner of the house. Okay, if you come over here, you can change this to inches, change the length. Okay, so I know that that distance is 290 inches, or just in case it's feet, 24 feet. All right, so we're coming back to Cedreo, and then using your mouse and scroll wheel, and then if you right click, you can click and drag. We're going to go ahead and change this to our measured points. So point 1, point 2, and then we're going to come over here and change this to what our value actually was. So in my case, it was 24 feet. So I'm just going to crank this up to 24 feet. Okay, so now we've got 24 feet. We're going to go ahead and click validate. And then now it drops it onto our sketching canvas, and it's calibrated, right? So we know now that when we come up to lay a wall to start drawing your floor plan, it goes away. So we have to come over here to show settings and turn back our lot trace image on so that we can have that while we trace. So we'll start here and look at that, 24 feet. Isn't that cool? All right, so then you just basically go around, finish the floor plan. Now, obviously we're looking at it from the top of the roof. So there can be some things that you kind of have to go off of memory first, okay, I know that I have a little inset patio here, right? So I need to make sure that I incorporate that because those are where the walls are. So there's certain things like that obviously you can't get from Google Earth, but for the most part, it gets you an idea of, oh yeah, I've got this little wall there, or I've got this or got that. So it's a very helpful feature to be able to quickly and easily draw and trace your own house. And again, you're going to have to do the same with the interior walls, right? You're going to have to maybe go around and take some measurements if you want to be really precise about it, or you can just kind of go off of proportions to the outside walls and make your house come to life. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick one. We'll see you in the next one.